what's going on, everyone? This is Faustinus here. Here today to show you guys how to create, or actually to set up your autoresponder. All right, so right now I just wanted to open up this tutorial page because we're gonna refer to that in the future. Actually, in a few minutes. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up the free autoresponder through Lead Capture Page Boss. Before I get into that, I just want to share with you some pros and cons about this service. The pros, the good thing about this service is it's free. You can have up to 500 members on your list. This is a great way to build your email list. You can take your email list, and if you want to use any other services in the future, you can copy this list and bring it to whatever autoresponder service you choose to use in the future. Now, the bad part about this is that it doesn't do well with Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail accounts. All right, it works with mail.ur, self-hosted email accounts, but for some reason, Gmail and Yahoo, it doesn't really send out emails via autoresponder. I've contacted the company a couple of times to see if they can address it, and I've yet to get information back. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted in regards to how to correct this issue. Actually, if I do, when I get the information back from the company, from Lead Capture Page, I'm actually going to put a link below this video where you can just click on it, and then it'll show you how to correct this issue if there is anything for you to correct. All right. But for the time being, what you're going to need to do, and you also got to take into consideration, this is a free autoresponder. All right. There's autoresponder services that are, you got to pay anywhere between $10 all the way up to like $60, $70 a month. And some of the top online marketers use these services because email marketing is a great asset to making money online. So just want you guys to keep that in mind. So with that being said, if you do have people that join your capture page, that join your list through your capture page, and if they have a Gmail account or Yahoo account or a Hotmail account, which you're going to find out when Lead Capture Page Boss sends you an email every time someone submits a form on your capture page. So what you need to do when you get that email, go to that email, check to see if that person has a Gmail account, Yahoo account, or Hotmail account, and then you want to come back here below this video, download email 1, copy all the content in the email 1, go to your email provider, your email service, compose a message, paste the content from email 1, all right, and then send it out manually, all right? And then 2 days after that, you want to send out email 2, 3, 4, 5. I know it's going to be a lot of work manually, but you got to take into consideration that, number one, this is a free service. This is not my primary my primary method of doing email marketing. I actually use GVO and GetResponse, which I will do tutorials with later on in the bonus tutorial section. Those cost some money, but I see true value from it. And I have multiple businesses running, so it's best for me to use these services so I can handle everything. And I want to make sure that all of my emails are being sent out. So those two services I will go over in future tutorials. All right, so let me just get into setting up your autoresponder through Lead Capture Page Bosses. All right, so before we get started, what you need to have is your landing page URL and your fan page URL. If you don't have your landing page URL, I'm going to show you guys how to retrieve it. All right, so you got to log into your account. All right, and then what we need to do is go to your system pages landing page. All right, and we're going to scroll down to 0055. We're going to click on the picture, then it's going to open up your landing page here. All right, so now copy this URL, open up a Word document, Notepad, WordPad, whatever document you can open up that you can easily copy and paste from, and just paste it here. All right, and then for your fan page, just simply log into your Facebook account. All right, and then click on pages and click on your fan page, and you're going to copy the URL from here and paste it in your document. All right, so we're going to minimize that. We don't need anything Facebook anymore. We can also exit out our fan page. We can also exit from this because we're not going to use this anymore. So now it's time to set up the autoresponder. All right, so at your dashboard, go down to System Tools, hit Autoresponder, and it's going to open a new tab. Go down to where it says Active Auto Response Series. All right, so what you need to do is click on Add an Auto Response Message, and then scroll down to create your auto response message. All right, so then you want to go to the tutorial, click on Email 1. All right, when it's done downloading, you're going to click to open it. If you're able to enable editing, please do so, because it's much easier for you to copy everything on multiple pages, because there's some emails that's going to be like 2 pages long, and it's kind of hard to, copy this page and then go to this page and go to the third or whatever. So if you click on enable editing, you can just drag and you can scroll down and copy everything. All right, so but for now, what we're going to do, we're going to copy the title. All right, copy the title name. I'm going to go back here to the Add Auto Response tab, paste it right here. Okay, and then the message. What we're going to do is go back to the Word document, copy everything from Hey all the way down to VAR7. All right, so we're going to copy that. Go back here. Click on this clipboard with the Word icon, and then press Control V, as it says right here, Control V, and it's going to paste everything in here. All right, so you're not going to make any changes in here. We're actually going to make it over here. All right, so after you do that, you're going to click Insert, and it's going to bring you here. So as you can see, on each Word document, I have stuff in red. It says hyperlink this with your landing page. This is actually supposed to be fan page. I'll actually change that and update that on the website. So everything in red is gonna, basically you're gonna copy everything over. All right, so just pay attention to everything in red. It says hyperlink this with your landing page, then delete this message. So what you need to do is go back to your Add Auto Response tab, look for everything that says, okay, all right, everything that says like with the arrow, and it'll say watch this video. So you want to highlight that, and you go to this little chain next to the clipboard with the Microsoft Word. And then we're going to go, when this box opens, we're going to go to our document, where we put our landing page and Facebook page. Copy the landing page URL. All right. Minimize that. Paste it right here. I'm going to click on insert. All right. So watch this video text will be hyperlinked on your on whoever is on your list on their email. Then we're going to highlight everything from this arrow all the way to the end of this message. Delete it. All right. Again, this is going to be fan page. All right. And I'll change that. So I apologize for that. And then we're going to go down here. Everything in between the two arrows, like our fan page. I'm going to highlight that. Click on hyperlink. Go to the document, copy your fan page URL, copy, paste it right here, insert, and then we're going to delete everything from here. Okay, and then just going to make sure everything is correct. Everything that you see with the little, with these little dashes and name and all that, that's basically going to state the person who opted in through your capture page's name. So it's going to be customized. It's going to feel like it's customized message. It's going to be customized to those people who opt in to your capture page. And then Ver7 is going to be your name. All right. So whatever name you use to set up your account through Lead Capture Page Boss, it's going to retrieve your name on that and put it right here. All right, so everything's all set. Now we need to go down here, make sure this message is instant, and then select group, contact group 0000. All right, and then when you're done, you click on add message. I'm going to get a message saying that it is the duplicate one because I already created one, so you just don't worry about that. You're not going to get it because you didn't have no message created yet. All right, so then when that's all set, we need to add the second email. All right, so we're going to go back to the tutorial site, click on email 2. When that's done downloading, I'm going to open it, enable editing, and we're going to go back to our tab of auto response, and we're going to click on add an auto response message. All right. If you guys feel that I'm going too fast, make sure that you can slow it down. You can pause the video so you can make sure you stay, with me. All right. So I'm going to scroll down here to create your auto response message. Go back to your Word document that you just opened up, email 2. Copy this title. Go back here, paste. All right. And then in the body, we're going to click on this here. Same thing we did with the first email. Make sure it says copy everything below copy everything below for your auto response. Don't copy this message. Leave that alone. Copy everything below the message. All right. So let's see, this one's 2 pages. So I'm going to copy that. Oops. Copy. Paste. Actually, Control V, and then click Insert. All right, so now we're going to look through the message, and we're going to see if we find anything. All right, you see anything in between 2 arrows? And it says hyperlink this to your landing page. So same as we did in the first video. We're going to highlight, watch this video, click on hyperlink, go to our document with our landing page URL, copy the landing page URL, and then paste it in the link URL. Then click on insert, and it should be hyperlinked when it turns purple or blue. All right, and then we're going to erase everything from the last arrow all the way to the end of this sentence, backspace, and I believe that's the only one that's here. Oh, actually, there's another one right here. Wow. Oh, actually, it's 3 of them. Wow. I'm blind. So I'm going to do the same thing with this one, too. I'm going to do the same with the other 3. Since I already copied this URL already, so if you already have it copied, just simply paste in here. Go through each arrow and just do that. All right. Again, just make sure you pay attention to the instructions. Hyperlink your landing page. If it says hyperlink your landing page, you just paste your landing page and insert edit link. I will have some emails made out for the fan page that has a fan page link too. So just be very careful while going through the email. All right. So that was the last link. We're going to delete this. All right. Delete everything that has the arrow saying, is the arrow pointing to the word saying hyperlink this with your whatever landing page or fan page, and delete this message in red. Okay, I believe that's it. All right, and for this one, make sure it's 2 days. We want an email to be sent to your list every other day. All right, we don't want it to be sent every single day. We don't want it to be sent 5 days, every 5 days. You want to do it every other day. All right, and make sure that's just selected to 0. Add message. I was going to say I already have one, but you're not going to see this message because I already have it. I already have that email set up, so you're actually going to see this page when you click on that. And then do the same thing with number 3, and so on and so on. All right, I'm just going to do number 3 for now. And then I want to show you guys how it works out. Again, this will have issues sending out to Gmail and Yahoo accounts. So a lot of people on your list won't be getting these emails. Okay, so what you need to do is to check your personal email. Lead capture page will send you an email notifying you every time you get a new lead. Open that email and check to see if that subscriber has a Gmail or Yahoo account. If they do have a Gmail or Yahoo account, all you need to do is come back to the tutorial site, download all of these emails, start with email 1. You're going to want to send email 1 immediately. Okay? As soon as you get that email about you having a new member of your mailing list, come back here, download email 1, and copy and paste all the content in email 1. All right? So whatever emails provider you're using, your personal email or your business email, put congratulations as the title. And then you want to copy all of this. All right? And where you see like the hyperlink with the name, you want to actually put their personal name. Do not put this dash names dash, okay? Use that person's name. Or you can get deleted and just say, hey. And then where it says var7, replace that with your name, okay? I'm just going to demonstrate real quick. All right, so you can refer back to this video if you have any questions. All right, so you can do hey, or you can do hey your name. All right, and where it says var7, delete that. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Not hey your name. Hey. Name of person. All right. Hey, name of the person you're emailing. My name is Yerlane. All right, and then just go through it. And then anything with var7, put your name. Okay, so var7 equals your name. Anything with the dash, name, dash, you want to put their name, okay? I'm going to show you another email that has another, there we go. var10 will be your Facebook page or whatever you want to use for them to connect to you. All right, so var10 is Facebook page. var7 is your name. Okay? So, when you get these people that join your list that have a Gmail and Yahoo account, all right, you're going to send the email 1 immediately. You're going to download email 1, and you're going to come here on Word, and you're going to change the name with the dash, name, dash. You're going to replace that with your name. Dash VAR7, you're going to change that to your name. I'm sorry. All right, let me go over this again. Dash, name, dash will be the name of the person you're sending the email to. All right. Sorry about that. And then VAR7 will be your name. So you replace those, and you got to look throughout the email, see if there's any more. For email 1, there's only hey, and then this name you get to change, and then your introduction. And then at the bottom, you're going to have to your success, and then you change var7 to your name. All right. So you're going to copy everything here, like so. And then you're going to go to your composed email. All right, I'm going to just demonstrate that real quick. You'll go to your composed email. All right, compose your email. All right, you put that the person's email here. This, and then you're going to go back to email 1. You're going to copy congratulations. Go back here, paste in the subject. And come back here, you're going to highlight everything from underneath congratulations. It's basically the same thing you're doing with the autoresponder. All right. Paste it right here. And now for you to hyperlink this, you're going to highlight the word that you want to hyperlink. All right. Actually, we're going to copy this first from the notepad. Go back here and click. You should have a insert link tab somewhere in your email. All right. Anything with a chain, that means hyperlink. And just click on that and then paste that link in there. Click OK. And then when it turns blue, that means that you're all set. Delete everything in red. All right, just give it another space right here. And then do this with the fan page. The fan page, go to your document, copy your fan page URL. Oh boy. Oh, there we go. And then we're going to highlight like our fan page. Hyperlink, paste, delete the red. Okay. This is a little more work, but at the end of the day, you want to make sure your list gets these type of emails. you want to send these emails out to your list. The easier way, obviously, would be through the autoresponder, but unfortunately, lead capture page bosses having issues sending emails out to Gmail and Yahoo accounts. Okay, and then after you're done, just make sure let's say I'm emailing it to myself, so and you're gonna put your name here. Alright, and that's it. And then click send. Very simple. I mean, this is the manual portion of sending out the email, but it literally takes like about 10-15 seconds to send out. You just copy and paste it, and you're just going to change a couple of things on the email and hyperlink, watch the video, or like our fan page. It's very, very simple, okay? Obviously, the easier way of doing it, if you just set up your autoresponder so you just don't have to worry about sending out emails daily. Autoresponder takes care of it. But again, this autoresponder does not respond to every email, okay? Now, if you do get a email notifying you that someone joined your list, and you go through the email and you see that, it's an email that's not Yahoo, Gmail, or Hotmail, then you should be all set. All right. So let me go back to the autoresponder. All right. I said I was going to do another email. We're just not going to do that for now. We're just going to leave that alone. I just want to show you guys how it looks when they send it to you. Okay. So I'm just going to go to system pages. All right. This is just a demonstration. There's really nothing for you to do from this point on, because everything's set up. We're going to click on this so we can just open up our capture page. And I'm going to send an email to, I'm actually going to sign in, opt in using Alright, I'm going to opt in using my Seon Network email. And as you can see right here, I got an email saying, congratulations. There you go.
I want to welcome everyone to the Feeder Matrix opportunity, where $1.75 can change your life. My name is Aaron, and Feeder Matrix has been a blessing to me and my family, and I'm sure it will be a blessing to you and yours. Feeder Matrix started about 3 years ago, and the purpose of our business is to promote and sell various software packages.
It's going to fill out with, I know I put Chris in that one,
and sharing their products with the world.
But for some reason it says Greg. I think it changed it to Greg. So say my name is your name right here, and then there's the link to the landing page. Landing page is this page right here. And you want to have, the reason why I set it up this way, because you want to have different links. Your landing page right after like the first couple of paragraphs. Then a link to the tutorial site. And then our fan page right here. Alright, so that's basically it. So what you need to do now is put the rest of the emails following the same steps that I showed you guys for email 1, 2, and 3. Alright, you're going to copy everything. Go back here. Go to your autoresponders. And you're going to create a new autorespond message. And we're going to follow each step. Pasting the subject. Going here. Pasting the body in here from Word. And then you're going to come, after you insert it, you're going to change, you're going to hyperlink, watch this video, or like my fan page on here. Okay, again, please make sure you're paying attention to this message, all right, because it's going to tell you either fan page or landing page, okay? So that's it for now. If you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you comment below. We are working diligently to provide you guys with the best tutorials And we want to make sure that everyone gets every single step. And if there's any questions,
also working on a question and answer page to put up on the tutorial site for all general questions and concerns. But until then, just make sure you leave your questions and concerns and comments below. We're definitely going to make sure we make improvements to the tutorial site. This is a work in progress, and it takes all of us to contribute to building this platform for everyone else. Okay, so until the next tutorial, you guys have a great day.